Do you ever feel like your workload is just too much to handle? You have tasks and projects piling up and you don't know where to start? Well, there's a solution, and it's called Kanban. Hi, I'm the JIRA Guru, and in this video, I'm going to explain Kanban and how it can help you manage your workload. What is Kanban? Kanban is a project management framework that is based on the principles of lean manufacturing. It uses visual boards to represent the work that needs to be done, and it helps teams to manage the flow of work and to prioritize tasks. The boards can be physical boards or digital boards, and they typically have columns that represent the different stages of a project. How does Kanban work? Kanban works by using a visual board to represent the work that needs to be done. The board typically has columns that represent the different stages of a project, such as to do, in progress, and done. Teams add cards or sticky notes to the board to represent work items, and they move these items through the different stages as they are completed. Key principles of Kanban. Kanban is based on several key principles that help teams to work more effectively. Visualizing work. The visual nature of the Kanban board helps teams to see the work that needs to be done, the progress they are making, and any potential bottlenecks. This makes it easier to understand what is happening in the team and to identify areas that need improvement. Limiting work in progress. Kanban encourages teams to limit the amount of work they have in progress at any given time. This helps to reduce multitasking and to focus on completing work before starting new work. Managing flow. The pull-based system used in Kanban helps teams to manage the flow of work and to prioritize tasks based on the team's capacity and priorities. Making process policies. Explicit. Teams can use the Kanban board to make their process policies explicit. This helps to ensure that everyone is following the same process and to avoid confusion or misunderstandings. Improving collaboratively. Kanban encourages teams to continuously improve their processes. Teams can use the board to identify areas that need improvement and to make changes as needed. Kanban is a visual project management framework that has been used in many different industries, including software development, manufacturing, and healthcare. It helps teams to manage the flow of work, prioritize tasks, and collaborate more effectively. Kanban can be a valuable tool for any team looking to improve its workflow and increase its productivity. I'm the JIRA Guru, and thanks for watching.